City police, they are carrying out the Kesso operation over here in Jawar Nagar area. DGP Railways Punjab Shashi Prabha Dwivedi. So it has been learned that in different areas.
युद्ध नशा विरुद्ध कैंपेन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ तो ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੈਸੇ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਹੌਟ ਸਪੌਟ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਵਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਸਰਚ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ Fifteen people have been arrested or you can say rounded up and काफी सारा कंट्राबैंड भी रिकवर हुआ है
Hi, watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you today, City Police, they are carrying out the Kesso operation over here in Jawar Nagar area. So they are checking the youngsters as well as they are conducting checking in the houses in the Jawar Nagar area. So today this Kesso operation is being led by the DGP Railways Punjab Shashi Prabha Dwivedi. So it has been learned that in different areas, City Police, they are carrying out the cordon and search operation, and as of now DGP Railways, she is supervising, she is monitoring the Kesso operation in Moti Nagar area, and very soon she will also reach over here in Jawar Nagar area where Kesso operation is being conducted by the City Police. So City Police personnel, you can see they are conducting checking here in the Jawar Nagar area. They are checking the individuals over here. They are checking the houses in the Jawar Nagar streets. So very soon DGP Punjab Railways Shashi Prabha Dwivedi, she will turn up over here to review the Kesso operation being conducted here in the Jawar Nagar area. So senior officials are here at the spot, and they are conducting the extensive checking over here in the Jawar Nagar area under the cordon and search operation being organized by the City Police. So Kesso operation is being organized by the City Police, where DGP Railways Shashi Prabha Dwivedi, she is accompanied by the Commissioner Police Swapan Sharma, and she is monitoring this cordon and search operation over here in Jawar Nagar. So we are showing you the live visuals over here where DGP Railways Shashi Prabha, accompanied by the Commissioner of Police Swapan Sharma, they are leading this cordon and search operation over here in Jawar Nagar area of the Ludhiana. So today this Kesso operation where extensive checking is being conducted by the City Police team. So you can see DGP Railways Shashi Prabha, she is over here. She is accompanied by the Commissioner of Police Swapan Sharma, and they are leading this Kesso operation here in Jawar Nagar area. We are having with us DGP Railways Shashi Prabha, who is leading this Kesso operation over here in Ludhiana. Ma'am, what do you want to say about this Kesso operation?
ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੈਸੋ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਪਿਛਲੇ 1 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ युद्ध नशा विरुद्ध कैंपेन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ तो ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੈਸੇ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਹੌਟ ਸਪੌਟ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਵਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਸਰਚ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਖੜੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਵਾਹਰ ਨਗਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਰਾਉਂਡ ਅਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਹੈਰੋਇਨ ਰਿਕਵਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ टोटल अमाउंट बाद से ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ
In how many areas today the Kesso operation is being conducted?
Around 18 to 20.
And since morning, how long this Kesso operation is being conducted in Ludhiana?
It has been conducted from around 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
And how many persons have been arrested? How many recoveries have been made?
I think 10 to 15 people have been arrested or you can say rounded up. And काफ़ी सारा कंट्राबैंड भी रिकवर हुआ है Thank you.
So she was DGP Railways Shashi Prabha, who is leading the cordon and search operation today here in Ludhiana. So she said that in multiple occasions the city police they are conducting this CASO operation, and around 14 to 15 persons they have been arrested, and the quantity of contraband had also been recovered, which will be later disclosed by the city police. So you're watching Das Vera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.